Phoenix, Greek, Voynix, is the name of a legendary bird believed to reside in Ethiopia in Egyptian mythology, associated with sun worship. In Egypt, it is mostly known as the Bennu bird, occasionally depicted in the form of an eagle. It is believed that Phoenix, associated with the sun god Re, will be reborn from its ashes every 500 or 1,000 years. Hence, the Egyptian phoenix, consisting of golden yellow and bright red colors, symbolizes both the sun and immortality, representing resurrection as it dies in the evening and resurrects in the morning. According to legend, its feathers are of fiery red, light blue, dark red, and golden yellow colors. Phoenix has become a symbol of immortality and resurrection. The sacred birds, Garuda in Hindu mythology, Feng Huang in Chinese mythology, and the Onivak in Slavic mythology, are believed to be associated with the phoenix myth. In Islamic mythology, it is known as the anchor bird or simurg. In Turkish mythology, it shares similar characteristics with birds like Huma or Tuğrul. The simurg figure appears throughout Persian art and literature. It is also seen in the iconography of regions influenced by Persian culture, such as Azerbaijan, Georgia, medieval Armenia, the Byzantine Empire, and other areas influenced by Persian culture. According to Iranian legend, this bird is so old that it has witnessed the destruction of the world 3 times. Throughout this time, the simurg has learned so much that it possesses the knowledge of all ages. In the West, it is known as the phoenix, in Iranian tradition as the simurg, in Middle Eastern tradition as the anchor bird, and in Turkish tradition as kerkes. The common feature of these legendary birds is immortality. Additionally, narratives about these birds often feature a motif of burning. When they are about to die, they burst into flames and are reborn from their ashes.